Pharrell Williams and Adidas Running are moving their partnership into a wider stage after the hype around the EVO Pro 1, a shoe that gained attention during the Olympic torch-lighting ceremony but was nearly impossible to own with only 80 pairs made. Instead of keeping the collaboration ultra-exclusive, Adidas shifts focus to the AdiZero EVO SL, a globally respected running shoe recognized for its Lightstrike Pro cushioning, sleek silhouette, and consistent market appeal. Pharrell applies his creative signature through two new Fall 2025 colorways, a clean white version paying homage to the EVO Pro 1 and a bold black option that delivers a sharper edge. Both styles incorporate green, royal blue, and earthy brown details, aligning with his vibrant design language. This launch not only makes the collaboration more accessible to runners and fans but also marks the beginning of more Pharrell-led EVO SL releases expected in future drops.